sem abrehom.
Okay. Also Barima, communication director, they ma NDC, Akuapem North, constituency. Obi, yen komodina say, His Excellency, John Dramani Mahama, NDC Amanyo Kuno Frank Tufo Rikai. Nra on a media ninya encounter with the media. Okay, can sembi. I want no kind say free SHS has come to stay. Is very committed to improving it. Na sense me usomuden obi.
Obrempong. Em so go fie bia mu a odo hu kire na wo champion na oda hu di champion. Enti meti ha ma wo NDC amanyoko di mu ene Ghana fu na tifu a team na ne dwe nyinara. Na nyina te won se mefa konya so achia the constituency chairman for Captain of AO Radanare mafa konya so achia the constituency secretary constituency for organizer na within chakesi we so akwama John Evans Kumoji the parliamentary candidate of Captain of na bebre enwini also owen America mo hwe John Evans Kumoji obi a oni atena Captain ha som ye ko ye ba onim ni nyinara onyo bi asabi otenkran na ote abuchi na obi abeka bi ato na sum esan so kan na adwuma ni dwumadi odi a osom man be police officer na small bosom na osom Akropong Sansom manfe o hwe school okoya okosu okwa moso ne na eje nyinara fie kwapem ha sabi onyo wo kwapem ha na obi akogina ba bi akabi ato na sum ansa na wahuni ekoso ha eni ti som bosom no wodne to form hwe de yakọ se na ebe ya dachi bia konya ba na ofrepu akasi ya onu so betima kọ na sebi o haw ne ade aye fem okọ abankasi ma ode yan hawakọ na aban no so atie sufre ene original ewo NDC party tickets din so the 7 December 2024 election record in the parliamentary race we kwapma America bi bia so bi anka no isanse o party a adwene kwapemfon kanko ho adwene puntum ewe kwapem ha NDC amanyuku enti na America obi ha say bra na ye local assembly be district assembly e be municipal ni nyina ye NDC apenso and kwapem of achieve all this merit enye yenga anko bia ni hobio enti America chiro bia to bia fu say enkoto mu bia sabe ye to oba ne manene obegwan agyan and yet we don't have an MP enye na make the MPP people are saying it adentiana ene nia yegina so to aba man 2020 honorable Amadokuya eno wahiana waja wo yeho na waja yeho de na chese wonwere yeho esansa as constituency na ke sitting member of parliament sabi wadwuma mawi ya wakun ajaye na wodwene den mfo bu mayen enu ndis MPP amanyoko ene won Akuffo biaba onipa ye kan on yan smo hayo ehun sa ya funti wodan se be fentim eja wo yo saa no wonim menuanom mo ma nanya sa bio ene Ghana fo ye ne abi ene Akuapem fo ye ne abi enye dodo no na chi saa ne keke o ye pe obi a o nim de o wa ho brase o te yan hawase on yan somda on John Evans Kumoji intimate obi afso on kan ho yenko ya sem kese so emise nra uti omampanyi John Dramani Mahama meeting the press ni bia na unhwa hokeka unhwa ni gisem senior members of the media ede an kakohia no menua omampanyi Akuffo furu kuma kesi he hasn't been able to organize one of these things before adentiana is a catastrophe proye ai na ba ne den ai ne ma so back at 2017 when Akuffo won the presidency he organized this same press okwahye ne nkofo kutupa wachi so musa nsemfo bi ono feel so betime ya no na ni pokusi den enura ohwa ho fama na ni gisema omampanyi John Dramani Mahama de ni so ade tu ho nya bre and the media edin koma na efeke Obrempong the media is classified as the fourth organ of government is answer anymore yensem nye den enkwa abonten nti ye yensem to na moso mai den maton enura Ghana every major radio station and political station air this thing program live and you recorded o say nbe funu kwa was dem a no aba play my TV no this was a live program na enura obia energy if you listen to the visions that Omanpanyin John Mahama spelled out there, na enije na ya nwa. Na ya na ebinim ka say free education. I mean, chuma bi nko bi so. During the presidency of John Rawlings, Ghana implemented F-Cube. That was 1995. F-Cube means free compulsory basic education. And you should do huna yenya in the Troyan Constitution. That's the 4th Republic Constitution. Ne say, Ebedru Bebin will start rolling out this education to be free up to the tertiary level. I know be say Kwame Nkrumah fias. I am pa yeni wachinye. In Kwame Nkrumah time, it worked. By Yenka say abang sai by ku num ni ade ebe say o my mind to toy. And in 1992, no, yes, and draft a new constitution, so that it will be able to meet the aspiration of this generation. Nisuadin huni adia, yenga yewa this generation, no, and untina yes, our constitution say emra never boy hoban. Na enfe could dia epese yekudru. So the NDC sat down and drafted this 1992 constitution, and there ye the rule of mine. Send this for antrasi and drafted Sanema, and can no man pay Akuffo go nyen jadu hu sebi. Free education, I do born once for him. He wouldn't have known that. So Omanpanyin John Rawlings implemented F-Cube, and indeed, basic education became what? Free, and it was progressive. Be free. Abang by Betuaso. Now in 2013, this is captured on my Joy Online, Adum FM Online, and other media stations. When Sektekwe leader an ally in parliament, it was made clear that this government or the NDC government at the time will rule out what? Free senior high education. But it will be progressive. Ebeyen kakra say ebedu bibia bede ebe free. Essence abre no na dang na di ni wa school fo no bedem. Essence abre na academy ade teacher fo and adusuafo no be suado na ebi ni ho. So in 2013, Omanpanyin John Dramani Mahama started building what something we call E-blocks. E-blocks. Or the 120 edifices. Now, sa E-blocks no sinina. Now he was expanding infrastructures in the secondary schools. Now E-blocks no. Nenye school be a was it down. No, nenye school be a was it down. No E-block no ho. It was new communities, new environment, new settlement that he was building the E-blocks. E-blocks amene okase ebu kwa benya heya o. Ebu okrobofun mo heya. Ebu ades no miamia horo. So he built the classroom infrastructures. Say, this free senior higher education as American, they will start this and kakra. That's progressive. As I'm making Omanpanyin Akuffo accredited John Dramani Mahama for starting free SHS. And it is on record. I am not the one saying it. So he built these infrastructures. And indeed, in the 2016 State of the Nation address that he read to Parliament of this republic, it was captured in it. They all applauded him for starting this free SHS. Na yenu anom na namwa I know what people say NDC for the boba we free education NDC for the boba say menua I na me busa me ho say sa nipa na ya wo ba mo na so bo musa won say E-blocks no Omanpanyin John Dramani Mahama be fia sisi no si ayedai anya bia E-blocks no wo si e de abaye nkokọ ana sabi atefu madahoroma E-blocks no Omanpanyin John Dramani Mahama o si abaye nkokọ ana da bi e adesua hunti no si E-blocks no. And it's not only the E-block that he built. When he said yeko uhas e wasi heya so manya heya we built a new university over there. I didn't hear na essence enye ni so ade hunu bi say nyame adoma essence we has yekusu doors ni ntino enrollment in the senior high schools will multiply. Indeed, if you are sansunsu na de beko universities essence adu so afo no ko e bebre na wo SS na enwara na e beko yanim akọ universities ebedu ho na enya ebia adusua dan obesua wom anasa dan obedem. So we built that university over there. And I can tell you that it is all the NDC era and Ghana YSCC universities. MPP has not been able to lay a single block to even establish a university before. All these universities, apart from Legon, UCC, and the others, All the rest were started by the NDC. For UDS, it was John Rawlings' time. UHAS, it is there. University of Agriculture, it is there. The one at, the Sunyani area, I've forgotten the name when I remember, I'll tell you. These were all NDC architectural programs. It is a free SHS American. And you know, Omanpayin John Dramani Mahama in Kanche Muse. Sena Nura Munya Pepa, Munya Ahafama eti no. Ore she munyina bose, ono de oba, onya banga oba, o metu ya dwumasu, onimni efe, no nimni be bua ganafo. And into no started the E-blocks and started rolling out the progressive free education. Also oba be shimu kena. Oba be tuaso. O me jaunsi wo, o sense onimse adisua ehunya ganafo gi papa. E wo memo ha. Enti oba the free education, he's come to continue it. Name ordin sakrai bebem, and sakrai ne dade. Also, oba be sisi adan ni ade amofra be dem. Esan sa ban ohi wo nwina mofra no, and no ko secondary school ni arohwe aduan wodi. Wo hwe bia woda, wo hwe ne wo fam, e ya sefam. Nempo, oba twa so hwe ye wi oruku school ni, yemu se ye ho set den. Obrempong, I have a document I want to share with you. Also utumra na wa kire siwa otuwo. Hwe Accra Girls Senior High School in 2017. When this government came, MPP Abamba ruled this free education program. We shared Niama Dusiafo. What share one say one famra, one family Dusias, and Busamuse. Nobody else has a candia ako. And then we are in Gusukoso, and Nura, and Gusukoso. Now, I fear you were 2024, 2023, and the others are. Abofra Kusua, Niama Wakasa, Ofun Tomran, a busku, a bradrin and Tiaso. Necessicano, often look for him, no their best. Bob Frano by him, at the side Manaka Bofano, Amanakadi Manako. Abai and 9 minutes, our for Bravo Kum. Intuition near my what was shown one from Bra. Nekamako was a finicran in any, Eddie Hubio. Nemum. Yes, and so much that Tarrant was a free. Omanpayin John Dramani Mahama Oba. Yes, Omanpayin John Dramani Mahama Oba. Fino Oba Betiaso. Nemum Obeshim can climb benso. Obesi school down for fro. Ama school for send officers CE blocks no. Obesi sa down ama school. Baby or better. Nemo a youngster woody or den sacrabem. Or see the buffer stock company is what supply new enough central stores a one crank. The chain called North. Said secondary school or North. Just oban cram a fair beyond the North. Obu Kumasa just oban cram a fair beyond Kuma. Obu Takwa just oban cram. Also to become. Or the two member headmasters, no. It's answer me no tea, young Ukuap man ha, a Ukuap man senior high school, man for Methodist girls near day. Sabi, ye were market centers, yem potem ha. In Tabasa, you have no paid young at all. I'm own school for a dear. School wouldn't pay a dear time of school for a dear. And you answer Sabi, if you walk adults here in Krakanian, what to one Adrian, the commercial school. Send a bay and Miana and son one Kobaba Amane. Nanade in Miano. Esa, just so kofa, nimeni nyina won kran. Ofi boko tatale kura just so bankran. Na na ama enne, ahu hia aba secondary school ho. Mo fred duana wodi nanso won. Ente on Manpayin John Dramani Mahama so ba. O de sa akonya be ma headmasters. FAB o. Se say, o hwe ya desua mu a, teacher fo ni adesua fo nyina nsa ko hye. Sabi won headmasters enu. Headmasters nso sha politicians. Edum. Ose oba obetwom. Appointment to head the senior high school will not be no more political. Ose teaching enlistment in the various senior high school will no longer be political. And then opese with the SS. SS now opese with the headmaster. Opese with child unless you are politically aligned. Omanpayin John Dramani Mahama oba sani manina obetwom. And we credit him as the father for all. It's as why he be paying.
Okay. Obi mi da sebusiande na also Barima communication director adema NDC Akuapem North constituency na afi Stephen Yaw Obuo do na friend fire and also communications officer adema director of communications yes adema MPP Akuapem North constituency ya but bepem sabri nyina no fire antimi meka yensa ewo studio ha ye believe say onam kwanso a oguso ba enti obi wa haide yenga hye nkomotwetwe na ase ya ne sa yɛbɛtoa nkɔmmɔ no so na fa ya ɛba na afei yɛatoa so wɔ baabi a yɛn atimi adu no na saa bɛyi de kyɛkyɛ mɛbɔ wura Facebook ase na afei obi me ba ɛnɛ comment ɛba no ano yɛ den paa ma me nkɔ kan baako mmienu bi mfio na afei yɛnto a ɛyɛ dwumadi ne so wefi Alex Sechi hɔ o say from Yesusu Akuapem North. O say the man of vision has spoken yesterday and answers questions as if he has given these journalists a script to write for him to mark. Jomama has so that he's the right man to bring our economy back to life. My greetings to John Evans Kumoji, incoming member of parliament, and John Dramani Mahama, incoming president. Yes, with Alex Sechi, no, this our message we by if Yensiso. Kwame Zu from Yensiso, Akropong constituency. Fellow Ghanaians, Jomama and Prof Jane have good news for Ghanaians, market women and hawkers by bringing national women banking system to support their businesses and especially the single parent mothers whose men have run away from their responsibility due to hardship deliberately brought by Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia MPP by collapsing the banks. My greetings to John Evans Kumoji, NDC parliamentary candidate for Akuapem North, incoming MP Sana Wakano. NDC warrior also, my heart begins to bleed if I see posts giving Bawumia more than 30% in upcoming general elections. So who are those voting for him? I don't get it. I think unless 2024 elections is rigged for MPP because both Bawumia and Napo have failed and have nothing to do in their presidency as serious leaders. From my greetings to Ahmed Agbanyazi, constituency organizer and youth organizer, and Fahad Agbanyazi, deputy regional youth organizer. We are NDC warrior and also this and semi by Kofi NDC. And so also from Yensiso Akropong constituency, former President Mohamed comprehensive policy alternatives present a robust roadmap for Ghana's progress. Reactivating the Media Development Fund will undoubtedly benefit those in the media space, enhancing journalistic integrity and capacity. Talking of corruption in government procurement is crucial as economy can thrive with rampant self-serving practice among public officers, public service holders. Furthermore, the free senior high school. Wait, I'm coming. But I am my messages no mind a short kakra. Eddie Amain. Na for ye timia to made in the sun term. Okay, engineer the economy can thrive rampant service practice among public service holders. Furthermore, free senior high school initiative is a testament to our commitment to inclusive, equitable education, ensuring that it remains a permanent fixture in our educational system. Kofi NDC Yensiso not a sa same by Ketu Richard. O say Obi, I'm watching and listening to you from Akuapem, Asim Broom electoral area. Keep the fire burning, bro. We see a Crown's recipe bar. O say NDC is the only hope of Ghanaians. Vote NDC 2024. Ousu. I wish your command ready. Your commander will know Asuguswa with you. Obi, sir, His Excellency, the President of the Republic, Nana Akufo. Wa wish a candidate I watch OBC in Soheno very well. No, wa catch the one say Obi Anshe, no one far pop and would add name and control. Sans in Bacho Sudan.
Nedi Kanamina a TF Tiuna say Titi Kofi NDC and Wapamfo. Me de say Munya Kunyamuriti. I mean, said that's a neighbor shabuno, and the panel cried a door since it's answer strange in your answer. ma ye hunu mu yedru nti entra obi a meka bi anche to futuru ngu yani na menua asema rekan ayete se ne ekura ritu bomonefo yeni mo mampanyin Akuffo ado ni suban ene sabi kata se ne proya ahye ne ma odurubu oman oreka bibi se the students should what and she what
what's more exams more practices
good the yemu se yemu se eja nanka so rutu ni manafo no nanka sa ne su ene ne ba ntren esanzo se chemo adamfo na menche suban aban ba aban keta se ne proye sika wuga wia ene ngat mabu ho akonta kire yana mention one name on Mampanyin Akuffo ado apenso what me prosecuting for engaging in these criminal activities that's going on in his government. Obeka se nansi ya na Bola minister wuku be $2 million and over on them. Ene Ghana for muza akuside. Obrempong ni esi nyina den akusi. Emra nipa bia wonu suade hu momen e dey asemi court. Aban kwahye nipa bi achi kwahye nkutupa. Say Debbie. And yes, I answer it. A day after OSP, for the docket, you could pay. And the cheap Peneske will account to me now only in FM over millions of dollars. A Japadeo, and they could see them. PDS, on my book, are more than $60 million. And no one has them could see them. Oshe Katasene Proya Shabaima. Sika afa ban sama won't be muhun konta. Obrempong and you say it hey you. Omang bre today Ghana is on its knees. Add internet bans ese bansa. Ene ufi fifra Ghana for it. Ufi nipa numeri gu or how no bread ni amani huna Ghana for fema abans on te dia. Na ye monwa. Na ene so nipa be gina say students should not engage in more practice. Once in who onim no reka. And it's then adusuafo nyina Ghana fo nyina wo gidi wo Mampanyin John Dramani Mahama mu se oba oni so beda ne ma esanse o Mampanyin John Dramani Mahama ketasen proye on so su. He is the only president since Atameos to avail himself publicly for him to be audited. Ayo Mampanyin John Akuffo ado no. So we are telling Ghanaians and students that they should have hope. Those BC candidates sitting for this exam should have hope in the future. It's answer Nyame adom. Enim se obi transo no atwani ye. Enim se won fa won kwose sa ne mani emu a e de won beka ha mu. Enim se won hwe okandifu no da ye nim na one de sa ne mani. Also no. Enim se won fa won sa ne mani manim. They will be able to live to the aspiration of the society. It's as in so on a fadisium. Teacher for ne when ya gidi e wo Mampanyin John Dramani Mahani abemuno. Yenim se sa teacher for no better to mo frani ye. Na nyame adoma wo won so hwe na o Mampanyin John Dramani Apenso ye de wan fasa free education mo ho ato.
Obi what is anka eye futu entino sanka no matter bi ane ekoso wo aban no na presidency na baby and futu enti futu no nyama profan
wo se opanyi otena fie wo gwananka no fo kananka nwifo a se wonyi nfim
enti ondimi ntufu
afutu pa ben no yi o maganafo sabi o how ne amane hu a yefem a yeka no wo so hu sa ayo ana refia na wo se yemmo won sem ma won wo so kom de yenkura yemmo won sem ma won anyesa de bia woka ana me na wo te hai cement bag. O Mampanyin John Dramani Apenso. Na cement bag at 27 cedis NAI. It's over 100 Ghana cedis on the equipment market. What has happened? Okay, yeah, what's the bon? Today, how much is the dollar? Dollar where you wounded say they have the men. What the palo akoma IGP and then dollar akuste. What about them? Now the dollar was 380 pesos. And then you forced you at TFO. Debian working for it was 380 pesos. That's on record. And then it is moving around 16 cedis. Okay, what's a bon sema? No way to probably Magana for Anka ye kaye. Sabi, Uncle Mampanyin Akuffo ado Apenso obey over 120 ministers. Go back also. Today, what did we see? And then your minister in charge of finance at the local level, your international level, for yata, okusuwo, akosidai, o sheka o menyimbo, sika wase saw, and then go akosidai. National Cathedral, the world's most expensive pit ever. Obonga Watuya, Sebi, a dang bakukrampunim. Over 350 million Ghana cedis has been spent on this project. What they have to bong and akosidai. So when this person is talking, you don't give him attention. It's and say, "Newa ibi peno on no kawe day." Wuti a wonyinitim. And the American church be say, we are advising the students and the general body. Send your man paying John Dramani Mahama IB peno. Now, education and stakeholders who have trust in him. They have reposed their trust in him. Ebony Nagrats, CCT, NAT, and the rest. They have a firm belief in Omampain John Dramani Mahama. So we are advising them to embrace the change that Ghanaians are talking about.
Okay, Obi. I say, Ebuja, Ejebu, Afe Neja. Eja Baba Bidu. Honorable. Okwawa. Yeah, no correct. Crash it.
There you, Equapimo. Tawan because I know.
Hey.
Yeah.
Wow.
I
went to me about money.
For fire, and you saw near going off. I go enough. If you thought so, opening an yam shouldn't know. It's answer him saying defense of Bonamfa.
You see,
I know what bro once and what kind of catch again. Once one of my acquaintance, and no cost 17 years, Ghana 19 years. Never bore man in years. So, into the acquaintance with the chow. Rachel. But with a name, we shall win.
Fire Quaba.
Yeah,
Bibiabo Cordia.
Namida chain.
Consuency. Then
Come on. Oh, that's about also the next second Babinam Bisa say, the Dennis you fee. Because now 2 fee. Me feel fear now, Jabi Pajam Moka Crana Mama. The Tramna is Bisa say, me coin and me cheat the day. But I said, I be by you when you ask us 3 days. Trade if he be come on. The Bako consuency is so far so good. Bibia Dana Aquemo. And you made one of my the Maminchia, your chief producer, Minchia, Minia, Ubi, you know, you, Namaminchia, a make consuency executives. I chairman of my name and Sabunsu. Me, I'm a boss of Papa Cope, Menocase, Adiato, the Nipa, in Rafa Kamewono, Minyakwenya, a friend on a Kasaye. The entire executive members in Yamano, Yako. Na me PC bakope. Me PC bakope. Se ono twasana ni nyina yedi nachi. Oro nyanyam fa on brase ni same ewuku. In fact, ono kra na breaking news no ema ye no mu ebise ni ato chairman eni. Nti de ekare se on shedding. Na hisi se ye nyina yetano echi. Na emrepemu no ne yefata no ye be ye na ayefe. Inti my regional communication director enumere offer me na so na what be do them so na kwanso ameba but me ni sanchire your commerce eh ubetimi no me say boss adaroma adwuma de agya to ye ne se ye be ye na adepa wo we de mpanyin na bu ba wi say ubo woka mpa bi an ye bone inti ye be ye inti fakome ko so man kotana sa inti bebe eba o se ni na menya butrai de etio yo inti unia Obrempong bibia eboko MPP de eboko eba me flag bearers o chiao o se watage ba pa o ye juba pa o ye nti o chia enche bia obeba na so ababe chiao enche bia o me se mimi se obeba o na so ababe chiao e wo fie duemu ha enche bia nyame ya adoma enche bia o be da say
pa wa be mini OBD can because of yamre nti no ya bobo ne ma ba ko mienu be so ti mre no akadu nsusu a na so mema mre 3 minutes bi na what media brushes na fe yen atimi atoa enkomo no so first one da his excellency President John Dramani Mahama Frank Akufo Dema NC Amanyoko no say free SHS has come to stay. I am committed to improving it. Sase musumuden.
La ose wana nesi.
President John Dramani Mahama.
Former president
Edema NDC.
Oh, aya ubo no boniye.
Former President John
Former
Dramani.
president.
Yeah,
so
John
statement.
Dramani
Inti okasa yenma yenkumase no. Enya butre ye den etie.
Yes.
Eno. Yo, free SHS there. Eyo no no beka. It has come to stay. Ene die sebi mi wukra kwa. It has come to what? To stay. Na ena me no kase ono eyo nunyamfo Owura Mahama, former president. Se owo asedebi ni abasobo bi a o ma me fa me de metaso ni fa ma Owura na Akuffo ado. Se sebi onya sa akukudro no sa fama no meye metimi maye no timi ma o man no da so. Unum say free SHS policy nkruma bresu ya kenka won sempeng na ekoso wo esoro
time obi time sha interject mema omre no what wa fim woni mema omre no what nti wo bibi a tro to won ba cho mesro
da me say emre ni so
mba cho ye
yo etefo tie mi bibi na me Amanfo de timi atoto Okoman fema won sem be kasa nkruma breso na ekoso wo eye esoro wo ekoso wo eye sire mantemu na Owura Mahama eko school wa anafo ha ni papa ye minister obi kase meboa na ni papa ye minister ena free SHS won fa so nti o ye den otamo no fi asea ekom okọ minister bo okọ ni de wa yi nti free SHS ya de bia me si enei se obia da sore a ase de bia odi matitru ye hiafo no se nyaminshira na no danko Akuffo ado na me no kase free SHS nti ene dudu na nkola dudu na sabi obi nkase free SHS ina eyi omane how
ebiri ni nti
omane nyina ede efiwo nso ene Obrempong me no kase yesi ye make second cycle as basic at least akola bia ntimi anko school bia akora anko anim bia no at least so do efa SHS level na Obrempong offer no shop as a shopkeeper obetima dey aye list of items I dey asa keke obetima dey assign onua ne check ewo bank obetima aka script bi keke dey etwetwa ne ho dey akonanim ene ehiafo se nyaminshira na nado danko Akuffo ado ene won ni bi se nyaminshira na nado danko Akuffo ado ene free SHS aba free SHS obi nkase aye trokon anasa aye fefefe eye policy a emu ye duro na minu kase o mana wo chiri na wo chemu ananya free SHS ina afa baako ye enukre because ye hwe ye nyina sika den akogum wo ene eskafo entua bi ehiafo entua bi aya na bibi sa ade ne eskafo entua ade ne yema ehiafo nkuto na den ehiafo na nke ehiafo den enjoy to the extent say if you call we stakeholders because we are me ye teacher ni or church ni ye stakeholders because yes oh na kema category A schools ye category A schools a okop maika ho B schools ye benkum ena ni fanom ne ade no na nka A schools no unya wa tua na nka unya B C ti say anwase a mampo preseka eno ye dey free na say onim ni oye say Mahama neja minister to me tam ne back enjoy. No, to be assemblyman, MP, all the way to become a vice president.
You have time.
No.
You have time to
let's educate Ghanaians. This is
What time again is he going to have on this? Because he has already taken his step. Me cap a free SHS.
Now,
me policy. Chale, you program you. Me regional director of education. Etie me time. We for for ye dede.
Who be bia fatu obi bacho. Me mamre na ko emre na so ani obi bacho. Why? I'll come to you.
And se Mahama minister ba etimi akwa enjoy free SHS a. Nana say obi aye dey enjoy. Save you post away omani kobo teku sempo a. Me dey roll this policy. Na amo bia ni etma dey ehu ni pa wosa djumadi a ye friend free SHS inti sebi enye Mahama na aka say it has come to stay. He has no any other alternative oni hwe beto aka say me ba metwam on timi podcast kwa so betwam po enu ka ye musu enu ti senior me ka say it has come to stay we will polish it and na me no ka say ene September year we will secondary school 1 or 30 years every school Obrempong and that gold track system na di how baku mienu mi ese ba mi ya is thing of what the bus you see because who say schools be walk around almost film work on first term second term third term
wow
yes me my call me first born we prepare lego ha omo come still omo call hamster base it ending and or call the third year September year e come me say and say ebiru in ebiru da so ye double track ebiru ye na me say what the last batch of school you know and September academic year na sinti free SHS there ye nyina obia pe sabi okwan ya ye befa so a ebetima de akwanim eye na etimi ejina mapa na etimi aboa because addition we dey ehia any ade na ade you say obi na regular
no but yeah in time and also ready
no I respect no problem
obi 1 minute fatu fi ona fi yenko yen next topic
so near what you akonya say na ye ba habet na ha ayo manity net ha me nua ka say ho brobre chin no aturu du dia sa
na ka wo dia na me chinchi do ya ma free just ayi wait man ka hwe me chinchi do
wo say
relax ka wo dia
relax na air condition si wusu na wo ti free
no problem
you see
you
can always continue to lie but the truth will expose you
it is mama I be president
and they be make us say media for you are the fourth arm of government wo hwe asema eye owura eye Omanpenyi Akuffo kan in 2014. This was 6 March 2014. Or say, Mahama free SHS good news for Ghanaians. This was modern Ghana. It's indeed on Ghana web. It's on City. And everything. You can check. Akuffo credited John Mahama for implementing this. And what better wouldn't listen? Now somebody condemn a year. Indeed, and to settle the argument and the whole scores on this. I near cause 1992 constitution edi bo man hu ban. Brian Pam. Brian you boycotted it. NDC. For anyone can trust on your menu. And yet, who say a time will come we have to implement free compulsory basic FU. A time will come we have to implement free SHS. That is why in 2014, on 6 March, Akuffo credited John Mahama for envisioning this for the education sector.
No problem.
And then what better can say? Only alternatives. Only you. When the man has already implemented this, of what your president had attested to it. You can say, no can unim yoka. Now, MPP doesn't have any solution for Ghanaians. Allow. I'm a teacher, so I always accept those attitude of. So a teacher can belong to the wrong class.
No, the fact is, allow him to share presentation.
That is why I'm trying to tell you. Say, listen, me condemn
Mahama, mintia Mahama.
Free SHS. They ain't no man paying John Dramani Mahama. You see the e-blocks. What was the purpose?
Listen.
Don't go there. What was the purpose?
Block or police say a day we started day free SHS policy. Now a collate in Kurakaya. Distance to walk to a
you see, we don't know what to talk about. You are a teacher. I'm also equally no. I don't know what you're talking about.
Now just say e-block.
This e-blocks was built up to complement the pressure on the facilities on the second high schools. What you say? Today, look at the enrollment in the schools. Everything about day, red bogging about the education sector. How many periods that those children spent in the education system? And never go to school 2 months and 1 month, over 6 months and and this true. And that's what my parent John Maham Becca said. He is building an e-block to complement the pressure on the system. He said, it was progressive. So e-blocks is mobile and today wouldn't have been facing these problems. Right. And today it has to take the chiefs.
No problem.
It has to take the chiefs in the community to compel you to come and open those senior high schools. I didn't see we completed about 43 of them. Listen, this is fact. When Napo was the Minister of Education, indeed, yourself. candidate John Mahama for completing 43 of these institutions. It was left about 60 of them to complete. Today, what's the state of them? The education system would have found itself in mess as we found today. I didn't tell you because we don't go there. Because we don't have any better policy for the education system. That is why today, all stakeholders are calling for change.
No. If you want it, say because Sabi, Yakasa for it is all right.
One and the way we have just about 15 minutes.
No problem.
The baby
topics
cry and then to me into the next free SHS are 7 real hot topic because we saw this year use more your friends say minutes father the aka
because
Obi your mic is off because Obi, man, you're moving the next topic. So, Obi, now, Tia, one summer will can you know, a tear for water won't come, Michelle, a tear for water won't come, summer will kind maybe, Marta Bebato, and the Aka want, yeah, fire, maybe. Obi, me pacho, maybe a mic not to me and 20 minutes. Nobody in my government will be allowed to buy state asset. He says, John Dramani Mama says to Gabi Pacho, Usumre.
What was that? Some people be some question or why you went in? Who say impossible? Who say impossible? Pierre, we say, Sabi, near Yenum Neviano, Yampri Obebrim, say 1 minute. Ghana for tuo ni mani konti ne pa mama efie kunwa so 2016 2020 osamba bio no sabi Ghana for amfa tuo ni ma anyina o se yempe wo they use the political work at the democratic Ghanaians know who is talking. They know he has been tested and voted out of power. Sabi I don't want to go there. Nanka nka ye ni papa mu morally, political morally, nke say a statement say make you amity make you tufo. And so obinim what he left at the Jubilee House there. But no pokra there, we allow it and we give it to the voters to decide. Fine. Media ono na sabi otin na konkwendu ase. E na nem frama e fa ho because as a ex-president or enjoy more than those who still work for the country. As a poor teacher, he still you get my cry enjoy more than me. So it is a not that's what Jack say. If I become president again, I will allow my ministers to what? To buy state asset. Or no say me if I become a president, I will even take a salary. I won't take I won't take all those kind of things.
Recent
we are all here now. Say you do my sika. Sebi. Kase mama you me boa kase me boa. As a gift in a day. And then
where is the boy? You have time. You put your voice down.
Allow me to do what I want to do. It's Obrempong can say. So Ura Mahama say. So Nyakonya Biowa. All money ministers and talk
government officials.
Government say no ministers. And I said one would do it. And talk mu or manager padia. Fine. Ekronwa sabi enamekano he has that right to make that what decision and I don't even look up those nia me pese tie for tiasne say owura oronyamfo ho brasini awomia say awuchi kakra yakomu bebre sabi enam taxes edwadifuo ni ade entimi ntuye ebinim di akeka bobu fi nkruma abreso ni ade onya akwanya or the prime prasat a canning united if you ni ya se bibia se foforo ene ukwa the chamber of commerce industrial year say be good akra po ni age say bon pass obenya sakonya no ma sa policy efi na no say abanai den abem na so betena o kase media me ba me ma me ministers me ma me abemufo emeto no man kra ejapade bi we ye obi sa de kwa won atode da kakanari ye wo so we dey etiase bi o ko chiche kokobedo sugar factory etiase not on kra da afade da ebi wo bi o ebi ni wo bi o nti na we na mo bi to adini mu na asade da wo say so bi wo bi
His Excellency John Dramani Mama Flabera de my NDC Amanyoko no say nobody will be allowed to buy a state asset when voted into power again.
Say Ghana fuma wakonya ma utumi say ya wodin so babesum enya homaso ene hantan ne bodo sumoman isan say ye Ghana fo asabi ebinim nim die krase ye nenso yakonya bi ne yenya se be sum man Ghana fo nti ahobrase ene wodo sum ese wuti o manfo no su na wodi afa adwena ko anim ye nyina betre ha yi asma wuta no kwa ntima nka hwe nya so to nsafa wi bia me kase bia mataka oni fika sa
kaudie odi kalabeka
oti ha nyina ne refi no o man John Dramani Mahama say he won't allow his people to what loot state assets and he just say Ghana fo esan say the kanfofo no sabi woto nton ne dia anka me ne wo anka betu bi ne anka me ne wo anka betu bi ne wo hwe o refi Achimota Forest sabi where would they yanko yachi say John so munya motene ekusi atiefu nim this reserve forest was sold out and shared among MPP apparatchiks o ma japade erebo ho ban today where is he where is it Achimota Forest and it was on record ekosi den and then these same people want to sell snake assets meto Ghana photo on yi that's net social security Guta Oreka Abem trade union the TUC abeg banfo nyina ku bad time is even against this yet about which on don't biara they will continue to what sell because one more time one will buy so be say say biara so ya banga wuti o manfo a anka TUC and other stakeholder organized be mu no anka ba twe ho afi ho what say Akuffo kasa fa sa de kuda he is supervising over loot and share government and say me for to be man was a PDS miti ebim enche ben fichi be anan kakreni kru what trend them nyunyunin what's the ECG they've privatized it to PDS Ghana fo buta won si hefo ni PDS fo no honest ni fo besi nne yenimo Obrempong na make me boa where are they the owners of PDS they looted our monies and that was it and then answer ya bola minister kwoti ball them wa ma usika ekosi den ya sika no gudem and then won tabu akuti den today they are sharing blames to special prosecutor and the EOCO akosi den there are numerous examples which has gone on and they can say the world most expensive hall national cathedral you say over 350 million Ghana cedis that's over 3.5 trillion old cedis and then won tabu akuti den and you come here and peddle for us like that wo betra na Ghana fo ma wakonya na mo mudan se nkoto ti one forest where forest reserve wo sima ye mining wo and go see den mo di bia wo man mu bia den faso be branch ma no mo pese mo de mosaka na moton na sana sabi o mampanyin
wo de chem
John Dramani Mahama beti chiroma ya anke benya bisa na many man ni nyina ne say o mampanyin John Dramani Mahama say on the sadi on so esan say he has a proven track record we didn't witness anything like this. That is why Trade Union Congress, the TUC, and all stakeholders are rallying behind him.
Okay.
And we have the views of Ghanaians.
Okay. But that's it.
And then answer, I'm saying, NDC for your farm potem we Akropong ha. Na yede ho kwache no na enigesem wo hwe ahofama na enigesem a Amanfo de hia na mpa they are calling for change. Ye pese should be a nkranse nyame adoma the 7th December they should be part of the train because change is coming.
Okay.
Obi amuabo no ho esanse eden sakai.
We me ko na adaruma na
be do bias.
Bisa simple question bi o. Sem mama say so nya kwanya o ma na dey na chidi for the ento my
and you are
for obi did na me what you say no cry na say there be o
na there be o me
bacho mo mic no off me how be kasa me bacho Bishop Abisha higher Okoman radio 97.1 megahertz Okoman Dawuru ana masogu so amutie no sabri edu so say ye bebie phone lines no na afei ye bebie phone lines na afei won so no adwini bie wo mu team no matimi dia bebo adwuma 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 0551 667-755 and now 0270-191-971 0270-191-971 Ofra ebe mo na yeje so na fe yeje wadwentre e de aboa eye jumedi ye nyo frefo di kan wa ahama no so. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. No, me bacho ubetuma san frebio. Okay, mom pick up we mom. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Aha, bacho udi di say na akasa fin.
Good evening, Ibrahim Akropong.
Ibrahim Akropong che wadwene enko.
Yo. My just say yes we wo kasa radio so say wo kasa say no ma pa ni kasi o wo simu fai we. And so, corrupt. I said, we will be an outcome. Can you ever to my bed and can't condemn us? You can. I said, I was a man, you pardon see the breed. Because everything in wrong, I saw already very bad.
Okay.
And make us say, Papa, and don't say,
yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and I say 0270 191 0270-191-971. Ebusha so fry be more than afi yenga je wadun tra boy jimedi no. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Me ba cho di there la kasa fin.
Pacho Kofi NDC ni me kasa fin so.
Yes, so Kofi ba cho tra wadun yanko.
Se NDC kasa nya na MPP ni no cho kasa yi. Yansu e fra se bita party muntu ma kasa mun daho.
Okay.
Esere bebri.
Okay.
Mr. Father, now about Tradu when you soon person meet this sanity. 2015-2016, when they implemented free SHS, and I say your friends said progressive free. One is a squad and Akuffo do share boss over baby see 150 school, 350 schools from scratch over no see. Mama soba, oh money auntie and I say one
Okay. Okay, Kofi NDC yes so yeah that was bebre Kofi NDC yes yeah that was Abuja 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and 0270 191 Hello, good evening.
I'm good, boys.
Me ba cho di then akasa fin.
Yeah, I'm there the pilot look at the group.
Okay, ba cho mo anonko.
Yeah. There is no second chance anywhere. Say Bahamas Oba is going to sustain free SHS and things. And I know the CIC, who want to buy on your share, who want to teach school. Do you know the number of population Kenya is taking? My computer, the church, whatever, the whole country. This one is taking care of them, giving them food. Why don't you appreciate this man? And you are there saying, Oba on my head, I don't.
Okay, yeah, that's hello, good evening.
Hello, Obrempong.
Yes, Bacho Dini saying.
Pacho Samu Gidi say yes to Christo Besamba second coming you.
Yo, Bacho Dini day.
I Kofi ni say, oh, Gidi say.
No, Kofi, my yemfa obi from Michelle. Every news shop 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 over Yabemo Modena. Honorable, yeah, transfer course in Ebemono. Wrap up, Mamma, na fe yen so jumedin so obi.
Obi, nyame ka say.
Ba cho
sebi. Me ntena wo fidie kese so. Enka sentia omampanya wa bako. Enye ye kura wa baba ye na afemu de. Na sabriye a ye kase. Obi, enam sebi MPP de. Ya ye be kasa wo fidie so de what tie o. Ni aba be kasa. Nti ye nkasa ntie o. ahama wo wa be ye ni de na breso no wa meda wo so be ye no betimi ene ye kase na nado dan Akufo do na wo so wote na ne ofra ni kan ye me si Akuapem akohwe ko benkum kohwe secondary school ben ina ye lanche and ye implement you roll out this policy of free SHS infrastructure development and we knew say it will be the challenge enuti ebu enye dan kwa o enye dormitory ebu enye dining hall kro obedin esua edem say kola na room adoso and they expansion say ekoso school me say in kola will decide the children will decide look and then you begin to apportion blames in ahead advance no problem the children will decide and parents will decide 7th December
Steven Yao last call. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Obrempong.
Me bacho udini de na akasa fi.
Pana pole ni, reserve kwa mko kwa putem.
Me bacho chere wa dwene yanko.
Bacho Ghana sisi na wo no. Obia ni wo no ma. Obetuma dada na o man mu bio. Na dada no apa ho. Sisi obia nyini obia bi mo bie. First ni adwene ni nyansa. Ni ye ni ma ini mu ma bibia zedi ehu nyansa. Ehu se na eto oba. Ehu se na o man ni mu tie. Ni visa me ya be boa me no. Ene na meye.
Okay.
Ndiye ma no kure. Enye adwuma Ghana.
Medase pa. Obi bacho wrap it up mama na yan sorry jumedi ni so.
Na America che etiefu etie ne dwemfa ni se wonya rehim ewo omampanyin John Dramani Mahama pen mu. Isanse ne wasranse no ni why be pen wonyi ni chim wati ase. Aha sanete. Na me san ka che Akuapem no fo wa nyina se sana me kan na nansa na ne 4 days e ba wo mpotem e be koso aba ara na wonya gidi no mfa ho aka Asia.
Okay Obi.
That's
pa. Abuja aha na Barima makwan na fe ye de Okoman Dawuru yi jumadi nyina aba na wie Mr. Kwaku Boache ye me executive producer afe the entire production team eye Nana Kwame Imperi the finest K Brown Okoman Brody ye McFadden Ziggy ewo MCR me ankasa me di jumadi en hucha me di N.K Obrempong njaka se pamfen koma aye Nana K ewo Latte Johnson eye prestige ho ewie me du wa no chichiri oye aduane kama no de ma mo so Obrempong je kodi o china odu ha beje shoe she na fa som eye Akuapem ai Nana K Nyankopon hira ewo Latte Johnson Nyankopon hira me preda Nyankopon yadoma o china ene ni wukuda de ye beye commentary but yawoda ye betina se na ya ye adwuma obi biara ojemre na ye di dwumadi ibom Nyankopon hira me preda me da se makramo
Ayuko. Mema munyina ayuko. Mema kana for ayuko. From Nana Kwame Perry. Ubetimi from the finest